Passion for the future, it'll come to you. Have passion for the future, that's all you've gotta do. Nothing is impossible with you and Tupperware. All it takes is passion. The day's arrived, you're ready and you're keen. You have the power to reach that dream. Your future's bright, so aim real high. Nothing is impossible, and that's the reason why. There's nothing better than a job well done. Get out, enjoy it, and have some fun. Attitude can change your life, you've got to understand. There's no going back, your future's in your hands. Passion for the future, it'll come to you. Have passion for the future, that's all you've got to do. Nothing is impossible with you and Tupperware. All it takes is passion. Passion for the future, it'll come to you. Have passion for the future, that's all you've got to do. Nothing is impossible with you and Tupperware. All it takes is passion. Recruiting and promoting out is what we do. Go on, surprise yourself, it's up to you. Listen to the message, it's you and Tupperware. Nothing can stop you, just go on, get out there. Now you know the answer, you have the key. It'll fire you up, it'll set you free. Facing the challenge, you will pass the test. You're everything you need to be the very best. Passion for the future, it'll come to you. Have passion for the future, that's all you've got to do. Nothing is impossible with you and Tupperware. All it takes is passion. Passion for the future, it'll come to you. Have passion for the future, that's all you've got to do. Nothing is impossible with you and Tupperware. All it takes is passion. Passion for the future, it'll come to you. Have passion for the future, that's all you've got to do. Nothing is impossible with you and Tupperware.